Ready? Start. Again, this court is called upon to address a very important but a sensitive issue on national security and human rights, wherein we have to ensure that national security and human rights can be reasonably and defensively balanced, a responsibility that this court takes with utmost seriousness. Stop. Para. This court, while its earlier judgment dated 10/1/2020 in Anuradha Basin versus Union of India, within bracket 2020 bracket close SCC online SC24, gave certain directions regarding the imposition of restrictions on the internet in a proportionate manner. Stop. The aforesaid case had, in addition to the procedural rules, supplemented the requirements of having timely review and the non-permanence of internet shutdown orders. Stop. Para. The three petitioners before us are aggrieved by the fact that respondent number 1 has restricted the mobile internet speed to 2G and have approached this court seeking 4G mobile network, and the quashing of the impugned orders restricting internet in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Stop. Para. Broadly, the argument of the petitioners is premised on the ground that in the existing COVID-19 situation, which there is a national lockdown, the restrictions imposed on the residents of the entire Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir impacts their right to health, right to education, right to business, and right to freedom of speech and expression. Stop. Para. They submit that access to internet acquires even more importance under the prevailing circumstances in the country, relating to the pandemic. Stop. The petitioners contended that the fulfillment of the right to health is dependent on the availability of effective and speedy internet in order to access medical services and information on containment strategies. Stop. Para. The denial of such critical information not only violates the people's right to receive information, but is also a denial of their right to health. Stop. Furthermore, the petitioners contained that restrictions on internet speed directly impacts the students of Jammu and Kashmir to exercise their right to education, as they are unable to access to e-learning services such as online video classes, and other online educational content. Stop. Para. This not only impacts their continuing education, but also disadvantages the students of Jammu and Kashmir who are preparing for national/competitive exams. Stop. Petitioner in WP within bracket C bracket close D number 10817 of 2020, has appended the affidavits of a journalist who collected testimonies of doctors, teachers, students, journalists, lawyers, and business persons from the Union Territory, and of a technical expert narrating importance of 4G internet, to support the above submissions. Stop. Para. Moreover, the petitioners have argued that the actions of respondent number 1 are violative of the directions laid down by this court in Anuradha Basin within bracket supra bracket close, as well as the temporary suspension of telecom services within bracket public emergency or public safety bracket close rules, 2017 telecom suspension rules, as no review committee has been constituted by the respondent number 1. Stop. Further, the blanket orders passed by respondent number 1, indicates non-application of mind stop. Lastly, respondent number 1 has failed to provide any rational nexus between the restriction of the internet speed and national security stop para. The petitioners submitted that since the introduction of internet in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, the number of incidents relating to terrorism in the region have actually reduced. Stop. Lastly, the petitioners pleaded in the alternative that if the respondents apprehend the misuse of data services, then they could consider restricting the internet only in certain problematic areas or providing 3G/4G internet to certain regions on a trial basis. Stop.